Do you often suffer from insomnia? Do you often feel weak? How long have you not go out to do some exercise? Have you ever thought that maybe you are suffering from chronic diseases? The World Health Organization survey showed that 1.6 million people die every year due to lack of exercise, especially in the fast-paced first-tier city. The fast-paced life and huge work pressure have caused many young people to suffer from chronic diseases early, and they are miserable. For example, Beijing is a representative of China's first-tier city. A large number of young people are flooded into Beijing every year, and young people aged 19 to 29 account for 43.5% of Beijing's total population. According to the survey, these young office workers work an average of 8.66 hours a day, and most of the working hours are sitting. Long-term sedentary exercise poses health threats, according to an article published by Passini in 2017. People who sit and work for 6 hours a day have a higher risk of death than those who work 3 hours a day. Modern young people are a group that values health, but in a fast-paced society, sometimes they are unable to manage their health, and sometimes they do not have suitable exercise conditions to support their exercise. Therefore, how to help young people increase the amount of exercise, improve exercise habits, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases is very important. Next, I will introduce you to a new type of sport experience, a shared cabinet for sport equipment. This is a combination of technological product and service designed to provide Chinese young people with the meaning of convenient, exploratory exercise to improve their sub-health status and reduce and prevent the occurrence of chronic diseases. This cabinet will be put in large quantities in various communities. This kind of shared equipment solves the problem that some young people want to try various sports but cannot buy a sport equipment due to financial pressures. When the user wants to exercise, they can open the Share Sport app in the phone and find the cabinet closest to the user from the app. When using the sport equipment in the cabinet, first scan the QR code on the door with their mobile phone and then pay the deposit. Then select the number of the cabinet doors and open them to get sport equipment. When the user has finished using it, the equipment is returned in the same cabinet, and the deposit can be returned. This design not only encourages users to increase physical exercise, but also provide users with convenient, quick, and simple exercise conditions and reasonable supervision to maintain their health. In addition, the design of the product also focuses on the exploring in energy sustainability, encouraging the sharing and saving of resources, and the use of recyclable and environmental-friendly materials. Like solar panel provide electricity on the top of the cabinet. The use of the solar energy to provide the electricity needed for the operation of the machine is environmentally friendly and sustainable. And the cabinet body uses stainless steel alloy material. Stainless steel alloy is heavy and has high resistance to ordinary heavy objects. It cannot be moved at will, and the cost is high. The display window uses endurance board, which is transport and hard, which increases the safety and durability of cabinet. Thanks for your listening. That's all of my presentation.